Ashley. This is my 1985 Cutlass 442 my husband built in the garage at home for me. It's frame off, powder coated. We got QA1 suspension, 22-inch Forgiato Wades, by the way, the best ones there are. Bare brakes, 6s. It's got LT4 engine. We made these on a 3D printer for the valve covers to say 442. He painted the whole car, did everything inside of the garage. I actually came up with the colors because I seen a car at Good Guys that out of the light it looked black, but in the light it went to like a purpley pink. Told him that's what I wanted, and he said we can't have the same as somebody, we got to make it different, but I can make it similar, and this is what he came up with. The color is a House of Candy pink, but it has a little touch of my husband's work in it, so it's actually a custom color that nobody else will have, probably ever. That's how we got our paint. And these, all the pinstripes, these are not actual stickers, they are painted on by hand from him. We got the engraving put on all of the window trims just to give it a little bit of final touch. This was his idea, and then I told him, I like the idea, but I don't want too much because my car is not a lowrider. So we did just a little bit to make it pretty. Inside is purple. We have pink stitching with the wood on the gray wood on the dash, the gray on the top, purple around, and then gray carpet. He customized the whole trunk. The trunk is kind of like a reflection of what the inside of the car looks like. It comes up and there's a T-top holder in the bottom. Every single bolt on here was taken off and created a one-off with an Oldsmobile symbol, chrome, from the front to the back, top to the bottom. Knowing that it was in the garage for almost a year, waiting for Autorama to come so the underneath didn't get messed up, it was very hard to not go in there, start it up and drive it while he was gone, at least just around the block, or to see it outside in the sun. So that was hard for me. I will be driving this after Autorama. I will be driving this summer. I wanted a car built for me to drive, not to just show. So thank you guys for checking out my G-Body, and I'll see you guys soon this summer. this after Autorama. I will be driving this summer. I wanted a car built for me to drive, not to just show.